Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can uninstall software or program from your Mac completely and safely. So first thing to do, you can uninstall Mac apps using Trust. This is convenient. You can also do it by open the finders and applications. Choose the app you want to delete. Press Command press delete key and empty Trust by clicking the empty button upper right corner. And the app is gone. But here we go. There is leftover. To completely remove program from Mac manually, you have to find all the associated files that come along with the app. That means not just dragging the app icon to the trust from your application folder, but searching the depth of the system files on your Mac. So this is the folder. You have to delete the folder. You have to go deep. And the second way, you can use native uninstaller. Many applications are designed to clean up after themselves. They come with a built-in uninstaller, self-destroying utility bundled with the main app. So you have to go to the folder, your application folder that you want to delete, you want to uninstall, and you require to find. You have to find this uninstaller or uninstall on the folder. This this you can uh, run this uninstaller, open folder, find the launcher, and just follow on-screen instruction. After removal is complete, you can enjoy your extra storage space. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.